Here are 5 reasons you're not making consistent 5K months as a coach. You think it's the algorithm, you think it's the audience, you think it's the client, you think it's the offer, you think it's the funnel. You are always tweaking things when actually your problem is deeper than that. In this video, I'm going to share with you the real reasons you're not making consistent 5K, 10K, 20K months in your coaching business. Are you ready to learn? Let's do this. The very first reason why you're not hitting 5K consistently in your coaching business is that you have inconsistent messaging. Yes, I know you love what you do, and you also have many things that you have passion for. And because of this, you're always sharing content across different channels, different messaging, different niches. That is costing you money. You see, if you want people to really trust you enough to buy from you, you must be consistent in your messaging. Try your best to say the same thing over and over for at least 6 months. Yeah. That's the minimum time you want to be consistent. So I'm not asking you to drop your other passions. There are 2 things you can do. Number 1, you can hold on your other topics for now. You can say, for this month, I'll focus only on my healthcare niche. And then maybe next 6 months, you begin to focus on your parenting niche. But for now, parenting will go and take a chill pill. When you're consistent over and over, you build trust with people. People get to like you, trust you, and they know what to associate with your brand. That, in turn, makes you earn more money, makes them trust you enough to buy from you. Okay? The second thing you can do is split your messaging across different channels. I will say this cautiously because sometimes you don't have the infrastructure, you don't have the team, you don't have the money to stay consistent on 2 channels or 2 platforms. I mean, for example, on Instagram, I'm helping experts to monetize. Okay, I'm helping them with their offers, their sales funnels, and things like that, which I also do on YouTube, right? However, on LinkedIn, my energy is focused on helping corporates and professionals to build their personal brand. So personal branding is part of the elements I talk about on Instagram and YouTube. However, it is the sole element I preach on LinkedIn because I'm attracting corporate clients to my brand on that channel. Separate the messaging according to platforms if and only if you have the infrastructure, you have the team, you have the experience or the expertise and the energy to do it. Because, for example, now I'm recording videos for LinkedIn. I also record for YouTube. I also record for Instagram. Costing me a lot, but it is what I have capacity to do at this time. And I also have team members who are helping me manage all these channels. So if you don't have that, I recommend you stay consistent with one thing for the next 6 months, build the systems, build the structure, and then take on the next topic. Number 2 problem you have is that you don't have a sales system. No matter how beautiful your content is, if there is no way for people to connect with you beyond your content, beyond that first phase of connection, you are leaving tons of money on the table. That's why you want to have call to actions in your content. There must be a next level. So for me on Instagram, I would say, drop a comment kit if you want my free automated sales kit for coaches. And people would get a DM from me offering them my freebies. From my freebies, they see the opportunity to buy something from me, book a call with me, and things like that. So it's taking them away from just social media to my funnel because I have free offers for them. Then for my free offers, my email sequence, they get to know more about me. I build trust with them, and then they feel safe enough to buy from me. That is a system. You want to have a deliberate sales system, and that you have a landing page offering your freebie, you want to have a sales page selling your main offer, or you want to have sales conversations, sales calls. Now, that is a big kettle of fish to unpack, but you can start your system little by little. And so I want to invite you to my highly paid coach bootcamp happening next month. In this bootcamp, I show you the exact steps you need to build your system. I not only teach you what to do, I also give you my own template. That's way all you have to do is plug it in and customize it to fit your branding. Okay, the link to sign up will be in the description. We can also visit www.thehighlypaidcoach.com. It's a 3-day bootcamp where day one, we cover how to create your high ticket offer. On day 2, we design your premium freebie. And on day 3, we create your sales funnel to deliver your freebie in order to attract people to your high ticket offer. It's a 3-day transformational program you don't want to miss if you are a coach who wants to scale to 5K months consistently and beyond. Now, the third problem you want to avoid is pricing too low. That is the fifth reason why you're not hitting your income goals. You're pricing too low. You're still pricing based on what you think the value should be. No, price based on the solution you are offering, based on who you are offering it to, and based on the costs of them not having your solution. Number 4 problem is having scattered offers. When your offers are not in line, you want to have a value ladder that beyond one offer, there are more ways to work with you. People can see themselves working with you for the next 1 year, 2 years. Why? Because you have offers. You are able to layer on value upon value for them to keep doing more with you. So for example, in my coaching business, you come into our bootcamp for 3 days. Then we invite you to our accelerator for 6 weeks, where we help you execute, and you are getting calls, you are getting booked, you are getting sales. Then once you do that, we invite you into our academy, which is a 6-month program where we build out your scaling systems. Because at the first level, you're doing one-to-one. You hit your numbers, but you are giving so much time and energy to hitting your numbers. Then in the academy, we help you scale from one-to-one to one-to-many. So there we teach you how to launch with webinars, how to launch a group coaching program, how to launch with speaking engagement, with events and things like that, right? Build your personal brand. That's 6 months. Then from there, we have the option for those who are interested to become certified in our framework. So we have a certification program for those who want to be certified to help other people with our framework. Then we also have a mastermind where we are helping coaches scale to 6 figures a year. So there is always more to do with people when you are thinking about adding value to them. The 5th reason you're not hitting your income goals is your fear of selling. And trust me, if you can hit the fear of setting up systems in your business, selling will become a breeze. Why? Because you won't be required to sell hard yourself. Okay? You can very easily put the system in place and your systems will sell for you. So to wrap this up, you want to have one clear offer, one clear system, and one clear audience you want to target per time. And then stay consistent, because consistency in sales comes from consistency in systems, not hustle. So you don't have an income problem, you have a systems problem. Fix your systems and your income will be fixed. Now, I have a free guide for you where I share the 6 sales systems every coach need to hit 6 figures with ease. I'll put the link below this video for you to grab a copy for free. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me your comments below. If you have questions, I'll be happy to answer them as well. Thank you and see you later. Bye.